This was Alexander Ewing at his Clark County trial back in 1984. His arrest came after what police now believe was a series of violent crimes that began in Colorado. After leaving the Denver area, Ewing found a victim in Kingman, Arizona.
And at first I thought somebody just punched me right in the chin or something.
Roy Williams was beaten over the head with a 25-pound rock. The man responsible vanished in the desert. But later that day, police stopped a hitchhiker who tried to run. It was Ewing. His arrest made headlines. 8 months later, Ewing was in a transport van headed to a court hearing when he escaped during a bathroom stop in Henderson.
It was a very, very horrific crime scene.
Former Henderson Police Chief Udo Chambers was a rookie cop at the time. She responded to the home where Nancy and Chris Berry were beaten within an inch of their lives. Police say Ewing used an axe handle to repeatedly strike them over the head.
There was blood everywhere. They were both injured very significantly. She was actually on the phone to dispatch while he was still there, beating them.
We make eye contact, and then he comes around, and I put the phone down. And then I just dive down on the bed like that.
Ewing escaped the scene, but was captured near Lake Mead 2 days later. He was convicted of attempted murder, burglary, and escape, and sentenced to 110 years.
A break in a murder case.
More than 3 decades later, breaking news. A DNA test linked Alexander Ewing to the unsolved Colorado murders of Patricia Smith and 3 members of the Bennett family in 1984, killed with a hammer, just days before the attack in Arizona. Back in Nevada, Ewing tried to delay his extradition hearing and was granted an extension, but ultimately the Nevada Supreme Court did order his extradition to Colorado.
We need to make sure that if he committed those crimes, he doesn't come back out into society.
Interesting, Ewing would have been eligible for parole very soon here in Nevada. Now, though, if convicted in Colorado, he will be a candidate for the death penalty. Guys?
All right, what a story, Gerard. Thank you so much.